Hello kids, today we are going to study maths. We will learn how to write 3 and 4. Till now we wrote number 1 and 2. Let's write number 3 and 4. Now take a new page. Now ask your parents to help you. Now here write class work and date here. Draw the ball. 1, 2 and 3. Color the ball only for blue color. Outline. How many balls? 1, 2 and 3. Write 3. Okay, very good. Now write 3. Now leave 2 boxes and 3. 2 boxes leave and 3. 2 boxes leave and 3. Put dot in the boxes. Write 3. First curve and second curve. 3. First curve, turn second curve. First curve and second curve. Touch the bottom line. 3. And write 3. First curved, second curved and 3. First curved, second curved and 3. First curved, second curved and 3. Touch the bottom line. 3. Touch the bottom line. Okay. 3. Complete your notebook and P.W.Pw. Now take a new page. Now write classwork and date here. Draw the ball. How many balls? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And color the ball. Only yellow color. Color the ball. Color properly, beta. Okay. Write 4. 2 boxes leave and 4. 2 boxes leave and 4. Dot the boxes. Okay. Write standing line, slipping line and standing line. Standing line, slipping line, standing line. Standing line, slipping line and standing line. Write 4. Touch the bottom line. Right. 4. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. 4. Standing line, sleeping line and standing line. Standing line, sleeping line and standing line. Line, sleeping line and standing line. 4. Standing line, sleeping line and standing line. P word. Okay. We will meet in the next video for numbers 5 and 6. Till then, keep practicing. Bye bye.